This is Faro, a smart urban helmet that is sleek, minimalistic, and something you'll actually want to wear. We designed it to make you look good and to make you visible. It's got powerful front and rear lights. And our signature hidden light, 40 LEDs hidden beneath a fabric liner. Boom! All of them fully customizable through the Faro app. And because dealing with drivers sucks, Faro will feature an automatic brake light if you slow down or stop, and integrated turn signals through a handlebar remote, so you can signal your intentions to others on the road. This thing checks all the boxes. It keeps your head cool, is completely waterproof, and despite all its features, is still lightweight. Faro was designed to keep you safe, with nips available as an optional upgrade. And to top it off, it comes with a magnetic buckle to class it up. Talk about magnetic satisfaction. Help us make cooler helmets and safer streets with Faro.